Meet the animals.
Episode 15.
Catfish.
Hello. Who are you?
I'm a catfish. Catfish are very large fish.
Where do you live?
Catfish live in waters all over the world. We love swamps, marshes, but not Arctic water.
You got a huge mouth.
My mouth can swallow large meals. We also attach it to anything.
What do you eat?
Catfish like insects so much. We also love crayfish, snails, and crabs.
How do you hunt your meals?
We got a great sense of smell. This makes us find food.
Do you have any enemies?
Birds, large fish, mammals, and reptiles eat us. Sometimes humans eat us too.
Do you live alone?
Yes, catfish do live alone. But some catfish live in groups. I'm gonna find my dinner. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Catfish.
Little Fox.